Established in 2002, NSS IIT Roorkee chapter has grown from its fledgling existence to become one of the most active students group on the campus. Composed of 6 different cells: Prerna, Disha, Health and Environment, Social Awareness, Human Welfare, and R&D, NSS serves society in many different ways. Started in late 2003, the Prerna cell was formed to provide supplementary education to school-going children of needy families. Prerna has now grown to accommodate children from nearby villages like Khanjarpur, Teliwala, and Parle Gujjar. Starting from a batch of a mere 10 to 15 students, Prerna now has a regular student body of about 140 students from classes 5th to 12th. This year, in association with the Department of Management Studies, NSS has introduced computer education for interested students of classes 7th to 12th. NSS volunteers teach them the basics of using a computer, including MS Paint, Microsoft Word, and the Internet. The children have responded enthusiastically and have proved to be quick learners. Besides strengthening academics, NSS also focuses on creative learning and overall personality development of the children. An art mela was organized after the end semester examinations in December by members of the Prerna cell. School children and IITR students sat together to release their creative energies in a 3-hour session of fun and frolic. Regular yoga camps were conducted over a period of 2 months to maintain the integrity of students' health in a heavily burdened and stressful academic environment. These camps were conducted under the able supervision of renowned professionals from the Patanjali Yogpeeth, Haridwar. NSS firmly believes in supporting other organizations that aim to uplift the neglected sections of society. Over the course of the Dussehra holidays, NSS volunteers conducted a fundraising drive on behalf of the Roorkee School for the Deaf. A total fund of over 1 lakh rupees was collected over a period of just 1 week. A regular activity on the NSS calendar, blood donation camps are organized every semester. Graced by the director Professor S.C. Saxena, the last camp held in September 2008 had a collection of 421 units of blood. This represents a 40% increase over the units collected in the previous camp. We hope to continue this tradition as successfully in the years to come. Besides activities in and around the campus, NSS also strives hard to reach out to the nearby villages. NSS is working towards fulfilling the objectives of SEED, PAN IIT's Rural Transformation Project. The Annual Status of Education Report is an independent study commissioned by the Government of India to provide feedback on the current status of education throughout the country. For the past 2 years, NSS has been helping Pratham conduct ASAR throughout the Haridwar district. The results of this survey were presented by Mr. Montek Singh Ahluwalia, Deputy Chairman of the Planning Commission, on 13th January 2009. NSS is working towards fulfilling the objectives of SEED, PAN IIT's Rural Transformation Project. As a part of its village adoption program, NSS has been working regularly in Khanjarpur and Teliwala in the field of primary education. Kaliyar will be another addition to this growing list. NSS volunteers visit the government primary school in Khanjarpur Monday to Saturday from 4:30 to 6:30 p.m. Over the weekend, NSS volunteers visit the government primary school in Teliwala where they teach various subjects to children of classes 1 to 5. The recent construction activity on campus has brought to the campus migrant workers and their families. With little interest in the education, they neglect the education of their children. NSS took upon itself the task to ensure the education of children residing in these areas. Classes are being conducted from 2 to 4 pm near the NCC canteen where volunteers teach them elementary skills.
NSS has started making the use of waste paper collected from the students of IIT Roorkee in making the paper bags. The paper bags are made by the women in the Khanjarpur village who earn about rupees 40 per day.
As a part of its awareness program aims at creating employment for rural people. आप ये क्या कर रहे हैं? आप बताएंगे? मतलब ये गुब्बारा बना रहे हैं। ये आप ये पेपर बैग बना रहे हैं? ये आप इससे आपकी आमदनी होती है?
जी हाँ, बस हमारी मेहनत है।
अच्छा, तो आपको इससे कुछ फायदा हो रहा है?
हाँ, बस खाली बैठने से सही है।
इससे हाँ आपको रोजगार मिला है जी। आपके लिए एनएसएस ने किया है कि आपको न्यूज़पेपर हम लोग ला के देते हैं जी, और आपके पेपर बैग ले जाते हैं जी। इसके अलावा कुछ कहना चाहेंगे? क्या कर रहे हैं हम लोग? अच्छा कर रहे हैं, बुरा कर रहे हैं? आपके लिए कितना अच्छा है?
हमारे लिए तो बहुत अच्छा।
आपका कितना फायदा हो रहा है इससे?
ये हम 33 रुपए के मतलब मैदा लगा के 40 रुपए के रोज बना लेते हैं। हमारे लिए फायदा है। घर में जैसे कुछ काम नहीं है इसलिए हमारा फायदा है।
ये जो देश है तेरा, स्वदेश है तेरा, तुझे है पुकारा। ये वो बंधन है जो कभी टूट नहीं सकता। ये जो देश है तेरा, स्वदेश है तेरा, तुझे है पुकारा। ये वो बंधन है जो कभी टूट नहीं सकता। मिट्टी की है जो खुशबू तू कैसे भुलाएगा। तू चाहे कहीं जाए लौट के आएगा। नई नई राहों में दबी दबी आहों में खोए खोए दिल से तेरे कोई ये कहेगा। ये जो देश है तेरा, स्वदेश है तेरा, तुझे है पुकारा। कभी टूट नहीं सकता। तुझसे